Hey guys, so here is the note from Kourtney herself. It says, Kylie and I have been working on our Kourt x Kylie collab for the last year, and I am so happy to share it with you. Love, Kourtney. And these are the 3 velvet lipsticks she came out with, which is Minnie, French Kiss, and RAD. And I'm super excited to try them on for you, and you can see how it works on my Asian medium to tan olive skin. So let's get this started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a swatch video. I actually haven't been able to do one of these in a long time, but I did get my hands on 3 shades of the brand new Kylie Cosmetics x Kourtney Kardashian collab, which I'm super excited about. I already tried them on, but we are going to swatch them and you will see how they look on my medium to tan olive skin, my dry to normal lips. They have no fillers in them, they've never had surgery in them, so they are normal kind of medium to large size lips that you might want to see what these velvet liquid lipsticks look like on. But yeah, so if you're interested in this video and these swatches of the 3 liquid lips by Kourtney Kardashian and Kylie Cosmetics, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so we're going to start off with my favorite lip liner of all time, Exposed by Kylie Cosmetics. It is a perfect nude, just like it says it is. I am obsessed with it. And we're going to start with French Kiss first. We're going to start with the lighter to darkest shades by Kourtney Kardashian. That is the outside packaging. This is the inside. French Kiss is $16 and has 0.11 fluid ounces in it. It is described as a soft nude pinky shade, and in my opinion it is like a perfect kind of naked shade, almost close to the Velvet Naked shade by Kylie Cosmetics, but it definitely has like a light brown tone to it, and I don't know, it just works out perfectly for my skin tone in my opinion. And it does have a lavender metallic top to it and the Kourt on the outside packaging as well. And as you can see, it works. So next we're going to go ahead and, since I took off that shade, I'm going to use my Maybelline Baby Lips. It can be any of those baby lips. And then again, Exposed, just to line the lips. I don't usually go hard on my lips or crazy, but a little lip liner helps a lot. Next we have the shade Minnie, which is described as a warm deep pink shade. It has the metallic minty green top and the Kourt on the side, and in my opinion it is kind of like a deep pink. Actually, it's just perfectly described, a warm deep pink, and it's one of my favorites, but I can't really pick a favorite out of the 3 since I've tried them all. I think all 3 of them are beautiful in different ways and different looks. But as you can see, this warms it up. It's a little bit more pink and lighter than Commando, which is one of my favorites. So this is definitely one of my favorites again. And it made me smile, as you can see, and I love it so much. So thank you, Kourtney, for creating the shade Minnie. Again, it is $16. And right now, everything is actually sold out, so hopefully they will restock it in the future, but this is definitely one of my favorites. And lastly, we have the shade RAD, which is the coolest name in my opinion, and is described as a dark tangerine. Now, that's pretty weird. I would never think to describe it as a dark tangerine. Tangerine kind of reminds me of an orange, and this looks super red, like a red orange, like a blood orange. Actually, not even like a blood orange, like an electric orangey red. But it is vibrant, it is beautiful, it is rad, it's stunning. and I cannot believe she made this shade, and I cannot believe I've never seen this shade ever, and it looks so good and it stands out. And actually wore this to go eat, and heads were turning in a good way, I think, and it did get on my burger, but it's also stayed on my lips. But those were the swatches, guys.
Kourtney Kardashian is, I think, the oldest Kardashian out of the sisters. Since I've been watching and following them years ago, I feel like she is one of my favorites. I feel like we could be friends. I have a lot in common with her. I feel like attitude-wise, she's pretty mellow, but if you get on her bad side, I love her little cute little attitude that she gives off, but I also love everything that she does. She loves eating really good. She is really good at her style. She's just super cute, and I was super excited when Kylie Cosmetics came out with these because all three shades, in my opinion, are super beautiful. They're stunning. They feel like they are my favorite formula, the Velvet formula, which she picked, and I'm super happy about it because all shades, like the nude shade is perfect. The pinkier nude shade is perfect, and the red shade is stunning. It is beautiful. It's very vibrant. I'm wearing it right now. It's RAD. I love this shade, and it stands out like no other red lipstick I've ever seen before. So I'm super excited that I have these three. I would recommend it, but they are sold out online right now. Stock them hopefully soon, but the RAD shade is available, I see, with the bundle with the blue palette, I believe, and then the other the blue palette alone is available as well, but everything else is unfortunately sold out right now. But I don't blame how it's sold out already because it's really good, and I love these shades. These shades should stay permanent because I absolutely love all three shades, and I will be continuing to wear them. I'm going to be wearing this maybe for Cinco de Mayo, maybe, possibly. But these shades are everyday right here, Minnie and French Kiss. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super happy that these were made and can't wait to see what else they come out with, if they do come out with anything. And yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helped you out in your search to find what kind of Kylie Cosmetics products or items you might want to add to your cart. But if you're a Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner fan like I am, then go ahead and look through my Kylie Obsessed playlist, which I have down in the description box or on my channel. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.